Hello friends. Welcome to the HTML Complete Course, Chapter 3 list. Last week we learned about the text and how to modify it. We also created one example. Now we continue our Chapter 3 list. What's today's agenda? Firstly, we will learn about different kinds of lists. Secondly, we will learn numbered lists, bullet lists, and definition lists. Finally, we will work on practical examples. And in the last, we see the summary. Friends, if you have any doubt, comment it. I'll try to give a solution there. You can find the notes and source code links in the description below. Please, subscribe to the channel, it's motivated me to create a new video. Show your love by like and share. There are lots of occasions when we need to use lists. HTML provides us with three different types: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. First, ordered lists. Ordered lists are lists where each item in the list is numbered. For example, the list might be a set of steps for a recipe that must be performed in order, or a legal contract where each point needs to be identified by a section number. Second, unordered lists. Unordered lists are lists that begin with a bullet point, rather than characters that indicate order. And third, the definition lists. Definition lists are made up of a set of terms along with the definitions for each of those terms. Ordered lists. The ordered list is created with the OL element. Each item in the list is placed between an opening li tag and a closing li tag. The li stand for list item. Browsers indent lists by default. Sometimes you may see a type attribute used with the OL element to specify the type of numbering, such as numbers, letters, Roman numerals, and so on. You can see how OL and LI elements are used on the screen, and right side you can find its output. If you like to change the order list to a Roman letter, then you have to introduce the type attribute and its value as Roman I in the OL element. Unordered lists. The unordered list is created with the UL element. Each item in the list is placed between an opening li tag and a closing li tag. The li stand for list item. Browsers indent lists by default. Sometimes you may see a type attribute used with the UL element to specify the type of numbering, such as numbers, letters, Roman numerals, and so on. You can see how UL and LI elements are used on the screen, and right side you can find its output. The list display with bullet points. Definition list. The definition list is created with the DL element and usually consists of a series of terms and their definitions. Inside the DL element, you will usually see pairs of DT and DD elements. DT element is used to contain the term being defined, the definition term. DD element is used to contain the definition. Sometimes you might see a list where there are two terms used for the same definition or two different definitions for the same term. Nested list. You can put a second list inside an LI element to create a sublist or nested list. Browsers display nested lists indented further than the parent list. In nested unordered lists, the browser will usually change the style of the bullet point to. Now it's time to do practically. You can see on the screen that there is one example. Here you can see the main heading followed by an introductory paragraph. An unordered list is used to outline the requirements, and an ordered list is used to describe the index. Without wasting time, let's start the practical. Firstly, write HTML opening and closing tags. Then we will give a title to this example. What title we can give? It's about lists. So, give lists as a title inside the head element. Now create body elements for the main display content. As you can see in the example, make the main heading with the H1 tag. Then write a paragraph for it using the P element. Parallelly, you can check the output on the right side. Now create a second heading with an H2 tag. As it's displayed in the example, it's unordered list bullet points. So we'll use UL tag here. We will use LI element to show all three lists. Don't worry here, I am writing the same content as we can see in the example. Let's give another heading, index. There is a numbered list in the example. So, we are using LI tag inside the OL element to display the list. Don't confuse here, I am making the same list as it's in an example. Friends, if you have any doubt, comment it, I'll try to give a solution there. You can find the notes and source code links in the description below. Please, subscribe to the channel, it's motivated me to create a new video. Now, it's time to recall the summary. There are three types of HTML lists: ordered, unordered, and definition. Ordered lists use numbers, and unordered lists use bullets. Definition lists are used to define terminology. Lists can be nested inside one another. So, that's it for Chapter 3 lists. I will see you in Chapter 4 links.